Hey, what's up guys? This is my first impressions of the T series, the T5 specifically, from Atom Audio. In this specific set, each speaker comes individually wrapped in a much bigger box. So each one comes with its own 25-foot XLR male and female cable. Each one also comes with instruction manual as well as other options that you can look at. And it also has, if you register, you get a 5-year warranty, which is pretty cool and useful. Both come with power cords. Let's look on the back here. So on the back, you have power on. You could do it at 0 decibels, +2 or -2. That's your high frequency. You have a low frequency that is also the same. You can do a +2 or -2. Then you have your actual level. So all this right here has to do with your power and frequency. A -60 decibel all the way up to +18 decibel. Then you have a balanced 1-pin, 2-pin, or 3-pin. Then you have it where you can switch to an RC style of output. And you can have a switch right here if you're using this one with the XLR cable, or you're using this one balanced or unbalanced, switch back and forth. Then you have where you put in your power, and then you have an on and off switch with a little bit of an air vent to let some air out while it's thumping away. So before you buy, think about how you're going to be using this type of setup. For me personally, the cables that came with it, I can always use a mic cable, but this was not going to fit my needs. So I had to order a separate cable. These are about $12 a piece on Amazon. I have a little Behringer audio interface right here for things like podcast, voiceover work, making YouTube videos for my YouTube channel. So I needed something right here for a left and right. There's gonna be an output like this. So this cord is exactly that. You plug it in right here. If I have it on left or right, whatever, boom, there it is, plugged in to my audio interface. It fits the needs that I have. Next thing, we'll talk about how big this is. The reason I got the T5 is because it's a little bit smaller frame, and in my office space, I have shelves that are above my computer screen, so I don't have a whole lot of room, so I wanted something that had a little bit smaller of a footprint. So these in the width, 7 inches, from face to back, 11 inches and 1/8 of an inch, and then we have how tall it is exactly 11.5 inches. And that's what comes in the box.